Alright, I'm Gabriel.
I'm Nico.
And we saw this on YouTube just the other day. This is the smoothie challenge. As you can look, we have a bunch of ingredients. Some good, like Reese's over here, some bananas, and some not that quite good. We got hot sauce over here, got some pickles. Alright, and we also...
Pepper.
What is that?
Black pepper.
Oh, come on! Really?
We got the chips, the Oreos, the baby food, the yogurt too.
Yeah, the yogurt is. We also have 3 choices of glass, which is put randomly. We have the double shot. We have the medium cup. We usually drink coffee out of this. And we have the lemonade cup, which she's gonna get.
I'm not getting it.
She's gonna get it. We have 3 bowls. One of them is our base.
This is our base. This is our size, and these are our ingredients, picked at random.
All right.
Gonna pick 5 ingredients each, 1 base, 1 size, and get this started.
All right. How are we gonna do this?
Well, we only got 1 blender, so we're gonna have to write down what's going on here. But here we have the ingredients. And I guess I'll pick first. Oh, no, you're going to go first.
Oh, no, you're going first. I'm just mixing it up for you. Get ready. Come on. Come on, mayonnaise. Come on.
Ketchup. Ketchup. Lovely.
Ketchup. Here, give me the paper.
So I get ketchup.
Y'all are out of your minds.
Lovely. On the first try.
All right, second.
Now it's your turn to go.
Is it?
Yep, we're going to go back and forth.
Birdie clapped his hands together and shouted out loud.
What do we got?
He said, I love carrots.
Banana! Banana! Oh, it tastes good.
Oh, I hate you.
Oh, my God. All right, those.
Granddad helped Birdie make a little row in the and showed him how
If you get ketchup,
I hate myself.
throw it back out.
to cover them all back up again. He also showed him how to water them to bet that
Kiwi. Kiwi.
All right, kiwi.
Kiwi, that's good.
All right.
What's going to be different with the ketchup?
Definitely.
All right. Ketchup kiwi. Hey, at least they both start with K, right? My second one. Nope.
Why don't we just take the one?
Yeah, because then you can't get it.
sitting by a little patch of earth, staring at the soil. Granddad laughed again.
Quit cheating.
I'm not cheating.
What'd you get?
I got Oreos.
Alright, we're going to keep them out.
All right.
They haven't even
Yeah,
begun to grow yet.
I got a banana Oreo. She has a ketchup kiwi.
Granddad looked at Birdie and then
And
at the
once
little patch
again.
of soil and smiled.
And it's just
You'll have to
lovely.
wait a little while.
Let's go from the beginning.
Yeah. You better hope you get something sweet.
Oh, I dropped it.
A few weeks? Oh no. Birdie could hardly
Baby food! Of course!
time to
Baby food, why not?
All right.
My kids are laughing at you. See that? Hear that? My kids are laughing at you.
Baby food.
I know.
Baby
Hush,
food.
no laugh.
Oh, just so you know, the baby food, she's been having it in her room for a little bit.
Yeah, it's been sitting in my room.
Apricots and
Apple and pear.
apples and pears.
Hopefully it ain't opened.
No, it's
Oh.
not.
Then it's still fresh then.
Still fresh.
Ah!
What'd you get?
I got black pepper.
Fuck. Oh yeah, nice big spoonful of that.
Hey, they say black pepper increases flavors. So I got banana Oreo right now, so a little black pepper ain't gonna hurt me. This ketchup kiwi
Baby food.
and baby food. Oh my God!
Come on, something good, please.
Time for lunch.
Oh yes, I got the Reese's. I got the Reese's.
See, if I would have got Reese's with the Oreos, that would have been the best fucking smoothie ever. Not really. Not really. No.
Not with that black pepper.
Nah.
All right, how many?
You got 2 more. Well, this one and then you get one.
Chocolate syrup.
Yay!
Chocolate syrup. So I got Banana, Oreos, chocolate syrup, and black pepper. Sounds delicious, doesn't it?
Yes, very appetizing.
How did I know I was gonna get screwed? Oh, I grabbed two. Take that one. Chip dip!
Chip dip!
Chip dip, great, and it's jalapeno cheddar.
Jalapeno cheddar chip dip. Look at that.
I hate jalapenos.
Alright, this will be my last one.
Yep.
Last one right here. Everybody give me love on the other side. Come on, I had good so far. I had so. Really? Chips.
The sour cream and cheddar chips.
See, it was good until I get sour cream and cheddar chips. Might as well eat one now.
Well, let's get on to our base.
Oh.
Yeah, we still got that. Alright.
One or two bases?
One.
Why do I have to go first?
Come on, no, we're gonna do it at the same time.
Alright, 1, 2, 3.
Alright.
Alright, 1, 2, 3.
What'd you get?
Cranberry.
I got tomato juice.
Oh my god.
Lovely.
No, why? Why? Why?
Tomato juice versus cranberry juice.
Oh my god, my stomach already hurts.
Alright, well then this will be the big finale here. Let's see which of these lovely sizes we get. Which of the lovely sizes will we get? And there's only 3 in here. Don't look. Don't look. Okay, grab one.
I thought Sarah was getting a lemonade cup.
Give me one, please. What do you got? Fuck! The lemonade cup.
I got lemonade glass.
Coffee cup. Nobody gets the shot glass.
Shot glass?
Alright. There you go, sir. So who wants to blend theirs first?
I will go first.
Alright.
I will go first because I got the good shit, but I got the big cup. I will go first.
Alright, sir. So,
I got cranberry juice for my base.
now you want to put your ingredients in first.
Okay, so.
Get your banana.
Okay.
However many you want in there.
I will take one banana.
One banana. Let's break that into a couple pieces there.
Alright. Banana. Get that banana in there.
Oh, he's going for the whole banana.
Yeah, boy. Fucking banana mama.
Alright, the Oreos.
Oreos.
Oreos up in here.
I'll take a couple of those Oreos. More chocolate, the better. Just like.
Telling me. Break that up there.
God, Jesus Christ.
Oh, here's gonna be the good one.
Oh my God.
Black pepper.
No. Come on. I got it.
No.
I got it.
Come on.
I got it.
I got the black pepper here.
Alright. Oh my God. No, what are you doing? Are you kidding me? Alright, chocolate syrup. You're a fucking asshole. I could smell it. That is not.
Oh, it looks wonderful.
Alright, chocolate syrup.
Lather it on in.
Can try and drown out that black pepper, huh?
Well, I'm gonna have to do my best to drown out that shit.
Oh, come on, final ingredient. Let's get some chips up in there.
Yeah.
I'm so glad
I'll
I'm
get a
not
nice handful for you too. Look at that.
Nice handful of chips.
Crush that up.
Whew.
Oh my God, this is gonna. Oh my God, this is.
Throw your cranberry juice in there.
Cranberry juice base, bitches.
You're telling me.
Uh,
I'll get some of that.
yeah, because that's the best thing you're gonna be drinking today.
That was actually not too bad. Yeah, there we go.
Fill her up.
Let's just
blend this.
pop that on there.
Perfection.
That cranberry juice. Let's get this started. Oh yeah.
It's like Dumbledore threw up in my mouth. Like special for Conad. Oh my God.
I can smell it already.
Oh,
I can smell it already.
Talking
Oh my God.
Honey, what the hell are you thinking? Seriously.
Lemonade cup.
You're gonna be throwing up.
Oh, look at this.
Oh God.
Look. Oh yeah.
Oh my God.
Oh man.
Why?
Oh yeah.
All right. There's no more.
All right, you can wait for me. Let's get mine going
Oh my
here.
God. Look, it's bubbling. Oh my God, it's bubbling. Oh my God.
You two are out of your mind.
Oh my God.
Seriously.
Alright, I got mine. My lemonade cup.
Oh man. Oh, hey Ashley, will you give me a towel or something?
I got that. I'll just put this.
Let me just dry this off real quick.
Now it's Nico's turn. She just has to dry that off real quick.
All right. There's that. Put that bad boy on there.
Oh my God. There you go.
Ketchup.
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 What else do you? What else? Yeah, open it. It's here, can I put that in first?
I got the ketchup.
What else do you?
Oh, look at it. Lovely.
Hush, Christopher James.
I know you're gonna need this. Yeah, Reese. Here you go.
Hang on.
Oh, you got kiwi?
I got the kiwi
You got
too, and I'm
kiwi
just
too.
gonna. All of it.
What else did you get? Oh yeah, I remember that. Oh yeah.
Oh wait, we didn't open that.
I
need a
opened
spoon.
it. I opened it.
I need a spoon for that.
You don't.
Come on, don't.
No.
I don't like jalapenos. I can't do spicy.
Oh, tough shit. Oh, I fucked up.
Enough. Oh, that's way more than enough.
Alright,
Don't, please.
There we go.
Please don't
There we
torture.
go. Yeah,
It's torture enough.
Baby food? Yeah.
Baby food.
I got it. Don't worry, just a dab.
Of the whole thing.
Just a dab.
Alright, you know what, just for that.
I'll give you 4 Reese's. You can have 4.
No. You just put all that jalapeno stuff in there, all that baby food. I'm choosing my Reese. I can't believe you did that to me.
I can't believe you fucking overabused the fucking pepper. I wouldn't be
I
bitching.
overabused 1, you overabused 2.
No, I didn't overabuse 2.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
No, lycosine slander.
How many did you put in?
I put in 1 so far.
Well, this will be it.
Oh.
I'm getting some nice good food.
Well, since you're a good boy, here you go.
Go ahead, camera woman.
Okay then.
Alright.
And your base?
My base. Tomato juice.
Oh my God. Oh, it smells so delicious, right? Smell it. Oh my
It
God.
smells like Campbell's tomato soup. Oh.
God. Keep going. You're gonna need it.
No, remember I don't get as much as you do.
Oh yeah. All right. Let me put that on there. Here, I got this for you. How do you do this?
Just turn it.
All right.
Alright.
Oh my God. That looks like straight up vomit. That looks.
Yeah. Vomit.
Oh my God.
I don't even want to pick it up.
Oh my God, the smell of that is just horrible.
Well, I got a feeling you guys are gonna vomit after I'm
I'm probably going to.
I got a feeling you
Oh
both
my
will.
God.
Coffee cup. Hey, this is all your fault, you know.
Look how big it is.
Nice coffee
going.
cup is that.
Oh my God.
Oh God, get rid of that. Oh my God. That's just.
Would you like a cake there?
No. Oh.
Oh my God.
I'm
why?
wary of this. I don't want to. I'm just gonna.
You guys challenge yourselves.
I'm just gonna stand over here by the sink, you know, just in case. It's my hair.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen,
Hang on.
once again, Alright.
I'm not gonna be able to do this.
Once again, that's Misha. I'm Gabriel. This is the Smoothie Challenge. Thumbs up.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Get ready for barfing.
I don't want to. Oh.
Do it quick. Oh my God, you guys.
Not on the floor, please. There's a trash can over there. Please go to the trash can.
Oh, I gotta finish this.
Yeah. Yeah.
I can taste the sour cream. Oh my God, the pepper.
Oh God.
The only thing that makes it better is the bananas.
I don't want to.
You still need
Drink
to.
up. Drink up. Drink up.
Come on.
I can't. Just the smell of it. Just the smell of it. Oh my God, smell this.
It's a bit nutty.
Smell it. It's horrible.
Oh my God.
All I know is you guys are gonna need to wash your mouths out after this.
Ugh.
Big time.
Why?
Oh, that's horrible.
Waiting for you.
I can't. I can't do this.
What? Well, what's with the pinky up?
He's being
I'm
fancy.
trying to be as much as a gentleman as
He's
possible.
He's a gentleman and a scholar.
I guess so.
I'm not a gentleman or a scholar.
I'm ready to throw up, and I only drunk like a gulp. Oh my God. Go.
I can't.
Go. Go.
He's waiting for you.
I can't do this.
Go.
He's waiting for you.
Do it. Take one good chug.
I can't.
One good
I
chug.
can't.
One
You
good
put
chug.
all that baby food in it.
One good chug. One good chug. One good chug.
I can't.
One good chug, we can call it. It's a challenge for a reason. One good chug. Look, I'll go with you.
I can't.
I'll go with you. On 3, just close your eyes, plug your nose, and take a chug. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
Oh my God.
Get back up.
Not happening.
This is the gross part of the session here. They're spitting it all back out.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God, why?
Again, why did you guys want to do this?
It just goes to show you, don't always do the shit you see on YouTube.
Please don't ever do it. Where's the towel?
Back for it.
Alright. Looks like she's out of commission.
Oh, that was horrible. That's all your fault. You put that entire jar of baby food in it. I got it in my mouth and just instantly, oh my God.
Alright, we're calling it. We're both losers today.
Nobody's a winner in this situation.
Say hi to YouTube and Facebook.
Peace out.
Deuces.